Aquarius, this is Falguni and I'm here to do your December monthly reading. This is for this is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So please check your placements before watching the reading. If your message does not lie in this placement, then it might be in some other placement of yours. Please watch accordingly. And this is a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Let's begin and let's see Aquarius, what will be your energy like for the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December? What will be your energy like? Let's see. What will be your energy like for the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December? From the 1st till the 10th of December, what will be your energy like for the first part of December? Okay, so Aquarius, you have We Are the World. So you will be in some sort of long term achievement or long term success in I mean, something will go long term. You will have that realization that this has a long term potential due to your own creativity into that matter. Your own creativity and efforts will make it go, I mean, will make it possible for having a sustainability for long term. It is to do with your pentacles also. I mean, your money, abundance, growth. Very nice. Okay, let's clarify this. Cut. So Aquarius, let's clarify. We are the World card for you for the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December. Let's clarify this. From the 1st till the 10th of December. Let's clarify this. From the 1st till the 10th of December. Let's clarify this. Okay. Okay. All right. So maybe you've been spying someone. You've been spying someone. This is the Four of Wands and Four of Swords and Five of Wands. You can see that there is a lot of people that are fighting for your attention. You have a lot of suitors around you, and I also see that there is some sort of conflict regarding commitment issues. Something related to commitment and long-term stability, building a home together. So you are fighting with someone regarding this issue, and you're avoiding the conflict. Basically, you know that it will cause some sort of drama and conflict around the situation. You're trying to avoid the situation. You're just spying on that person from far, but this will lead to something long term. Even if you're delaying the decision, even if you take the decision later or sooner or later, whatever it is, it has long term potential. This will go long term, and this is to do with something related to your commitment. If you are in a relationship, then this is for you, and if you are not in a relationship, it some sort of commitment is coming towards you, and you are waiting it out. I mean, you're taking your time in the situation, which is fine. It's okay, you can take your time. You're spying also on the person very uh, deeply, or you can say very rigorously. Let's see what is there in the second part of December. What will be your energy like, Aquarius? Let's see for the second part of December. What will be your energy like for the second part of December? What will be your energy like, Aquarius? Let's find out. What will be your energy like for the second part of December? What will be your energy like for the second part of December? Let's find out. What will be your energy like for the second part of December? So for the second part of December, there will be some sort of transformation in this situation, for which you are praying. You want a transformation in a certain situation, in certain kind of dynamic, and you have been praying for this day and night for this to happen, and it will be finally happening in this part, I think, or you will be in a praying mode and wanting this transformation to happen. Okay, that is what your energy looks like. Let's clarify this further. Okay, so clarifying this further, clarifying the card of transformation. What is the card of transformation? Okay, 1 second. Just let me pick the card. So sorry. Yeah. What is the transformation here about? Let's clarify the transformation card for you, Aquarius, for the next 10 days of December, that is from 11th till the 20th of December. What is the transformation here about? What is the transformation here about? Let's find out. What is the transformation here about? Let's find out. Empress, Chariot, and the Ten of Pentacles. Very nice cards. So the transformation is to do with a long-term stability. Pentacles, your money, your growth. You wanted movement in this situation. Okay, you want to, get over the conflicting battles, struggles, and everything, which will be getting transformed this time. So the transformation will be in your career phase, in your money matters. You will be growing abundantly. There will be a forward movement in the situation and a lot of growth and abundance. You can see this is Empress card. So this person has everything, and this will be because of the forward movement in your career phase. So you'll be bypassing the conflicting situation, the struggles, the hardships, finally, and emerging victorious in the situation. That is the transformation I can see for you. Very nice. Aquarius, let's see what is the last part of December hold. Cut, cut, cut. So what will be your energy like, Aquarius, for the last part of December? For the last part of December, what will be your energy like? Let's see. What will be your energy like for the last part of December? Let's find out. What will be your energy like for the last part of December? Let's find out. Aquarius. So Aquarius, your energy will be intensity. You will be very intensely focused on whatever you do in the last part of December. You'll be ignoring all sorts of distractions, all sorts of, hurdles from your path. If you feel that something is distracting you from your path, or someone is interfering a lot in the situation, you will just cut off communication with that person or that thing altogether and keep your focus strong, which is a very wonderful energy. It's not easy to do, let me tell you, and if you are able to do that, then hats off to you. Cut, cut, cut. Let's find out what is the intensity card actually about. What does it mean here in the situation for the 21st to the 31st of December for Aquarius? Let's clarify the intensity card for Aquarius from 21st till the 31st of December. Let's clarify it. Okay. Eight of Pentacles, Hanged Man, and the Justice. So this is to do with your work again Pentacles. So you have a lot of abundance coming towards you, Aquarius. So wonderful energy. More than love, I feel it is in your career phase that you will be growing. So you have been working hard. You will be putting all your focus towards work, and you will be dedicatedly working towards it, and you will receive good news, good communication, whatever you've been waiting to hear on. Some sort of promotion might even come to you, and some sort of good news, or some sort of something related to your work, definitely. And good news, it is a good news. And you will be feeling you will be inclined, and you will be called. Intuitively you will get that calling that yes, this is the right thing to do and I should do this, and you will be continuously going ahead in that direction. You will get that enlightenment basically from within, and that will be the correct path for you. Your karma, your good deeds are being repaid. Just take it like that. Very nice. Let's check your overall guidance in the situation, Aquarius. Cut, cut, cut. What is the overall guidance for Aquarius? What is the overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of December? What is the overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of December? Let's find out. What is the overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of December? Overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of December. So Aquarius, you have your worth. You will be recognized. You'll be seen for your talents, your potential, and your worth. Just see this card. Okay, so your guidance, this is the guidance. So you have to pay attention on yourself. work on yourself, on your life purpose, on your life path, on your life goal, and everything else will fall into place automatically. Everything else will align perfectly as it should be once you start focusing on yourself and working on yourself, which I think you will be doing in majority part of December. Okay, this will, you need to focus on new beginnings also where you can, which gives you happiness, which gives you certain form of goal attainment. You need to manifest that, make it work, make it happen. This is the time. Okay, so Aquarius, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in my next reading, and I love you, Aquarius. Thank you. Namaste.